Yan, nasa farm ako ng mga hamster. Are you a hamster or not? How about you? How are you? I'm going to interview you, ha? Kamusta naman? How's your baby out there? Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Don't be shy. So, how about you? Are you family there? Ha?
Pwede naman.
Hey, hello. How are you? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Can I touch your nose?
Pero pabalik.
Hello. Hello. Are you happy by biting those greens? Hello. Hi. Hi. Masarap ba yan? Masarap? Uy! You nod. That's mean that tastes so good. How it tastes? Huh? Uy! Nasagot sila. Gumaganon sila. Nagsasalita sila. They have their language. Gumaganon. Hi, Whitey. How are you, Whitey? A white rat in a cage. I want to get out. How about you? You also? Dami. How about the rabbit and the rats?
Wala na.
Mice. 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 Ang dami. The rabbits. Rabbit. Rabbit. Let's go to the other cage. Let's just take a farm. For rabbits here. Rabbits. Rabbits. Hi, rabbits. Hi. Ito po si Agua. Actually, she lives in Manila. And we donated her here. And she's here right now. And she's fat already. Dati po ay malnourished si Agua. Yan o, taba na ni Agua. Hi, Mami Alona. I'm here. Say hello to Mikey, Agua. Hi, Mikey. Kamusta ka na? I'm here in Laguna. Still alive. And healthy. I'm healthy eating my feeds here. And I'm with my friends. Look at my friends here. They so healthy too. Hi, hello. Hello. Hi. She's a shy type. Bunny. And this is my happiest friend. And hindi po siya mahiyain. And ito po ang gwapo kong friend. Yan. She's so handsome. That's why I choose to be beside him. Yan. Magkatabi kami. Matatakotin po yan. Siya yung baning matatakotin dito. And this is my kahawig sila ng bani ni Agua. Nagkakulay sila ni Agua. Hi! Kumbaga sa pusa, makakuting pa lang po sila. Yan. At marami pa po dito. Look! I'm surrounded by hundreds of bunnies. Hi! Hello! Hello! Ay! Surrounded by 100 of bunnies. Let's look around. And yan. Sarap. Hi, Bunny. Ang sarap ba yun? Hello. Hello, Bunny. Nyam, 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 nyam. I'm going back. Up. Ayun si Teteng. With the other pets. So,
Saan po yung tubig? Hindi, wag mo na ikadlo mo na lang. Nakakadlo. Tama yun. Hello.
Naiya. Nakatalikod.
David.
May maliliit sila dun sa loob. Meron pa pala dun. What's make you special? Why are you there? Why you're separated to the other mice? Huh?
Lalo na pagka ganyan, dito mo tutulan ang ano. Ganyan lang. Di ba anak, baby ka, pinta. Ganyan lang. Kalahati lang. Dito na. Sinagandi mo eh.
Si Agua talaga tumitingin dito eh. Kilala yata ako ni Agua. Oh! Into the wild. The wild. Hey! Look at the baby bunnies! That's the baby bunny! Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy bunny. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy bunny. Is this your babies? Is this your baby bunnies? They're all baby bunny. They're so cute. I want to touch them. Oh, what happened to that baby bunny? The white one. She's sleeping. Kuya, tinitingnan tayo ni Mother Bunny. Hi, Mother Bunny. This is my adventure here. From Sol. See you.